Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 3. We'll begin by understanding the game's unique setting in the capital wasteland, a post-apocalyptic Washington, D.C. Then, we'll dive into creating your character, focusing on the initial allocation of your 7 special attributes. Finally, you'll learn how to effectively use your Pip-Boy, a crucial wrist-mounted device for managing your inventory, checking your map, and accessing vital information throughout your adventure. Next, let's explore the core gameplay mechanics. Combat is key, and mastering the Vault-Tec Assisted Targeting System, or VATS, will give you a significant advantage. You'll also need to strategically distribute your skill points, perhaps focusing on lockpicking, science, or various weapon proficiencies. Remember to constantly manage your inventory weight. Carrying too much will slow you down and limit your ability to collect more valuable loot. Now, let's talk about the rich narrative and your impact on it. You'll embark on a compelling main story quest, alongside dozens of engaging side quests that offer unique rewards and experiences. Interacting with the capital wasteland's diverse factions will shape your reputation and open up new opportunities. Every moral choice you make will influence your karma, subtly altering how the world perceives and reacts to your character. Finally, let's cover some essential survival and progression tips. Make sure to utilize the crafting and repair mechanics to keep your weapons and armor in top condition, saving you precious caps. Consider recruiting one of the many available companions. They can provide invaluable assistance in combat and help carry your excess gear. Always explore every nook and cranny. The capital wasteland is full of hidden secrets and valuable loot waiting to be discovered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.